Look around you. Life comes in endless forms, from invisible microbes to towering blue whales. Each creature is uniquely suited to its environment. A giraffe's neck for high leaves, a polar bear's fur for Arctic cold. This fit isn't by chance. It's the result of natural selection, the driving force of evolution. Charles Darwin, after his voyage on the HMS Beagle, realized that life is always changing. He saw that individuals compete for survival, and those with helpful traits are more likely to reproduce. These traits are encoded in genes, passed from parent to offspring. Sometimes random mutations create new traits, some harmful, some helpful. If a mutation helps an organism survive, it can spread through the population. Over generations, these small changes add up, leading to adaptation and even new species. Natural selection isn't about perfection, but about better fit for survival. It's the quiet force behind the diversity and unity of life on Earth. Natural selection relies on 4 key conditions. First, variation. No two individuals are exactly alike, even within a species. Second, heritability. Only genetic traits can be passed to offspring. Third, competition. Resources are limited, so not all can survive. This struggle means even small advantages matter. Fourth, differential reproduction. Those with beneficial traits leave more offspring. Over time, these traits become more common in the population. Evolution is not about the strongest, but the best fit for the environment. Nature selects from existing variation, shaping life generation by generation. These 4 pillars explain how populations change and adapt. This is natural selection in action. The peppered moth in industrial England is a classic example. Light-colored moths once blended into lichen-covered trees, while dark moths stood out and were eaten. When pollution darkened the trees, dark moths gained the advantage and became more common. This shows fittest means best adapted, not strongest. When the environment changed again, so did the direction of selection. Fitness is always about the current environment. Natural selection acts on populations, not individuals. No single moth changed color. The population's gene frequencies shifted. Evolution is a gradual change in populations over generations. Misconceptions arise when we think individuals evolve or that evolution has a goal. It's all about which traits help survival and reproduction right now. Natural selection shapes our world today, not just in the past. Antibiotic resistance in bacteria is evolution in real time. Resistant mutants survive and multiply. The same happens with pesticide resistance in crop pests. This evolutionary arms race challenges medicine and agriculture. Sometimes a gene is both harmful and helpful, like sickle cell anemia, which protects against malaria if inherited from one parent. Natural selection explains why such genes persist in certain populations. From superbugs to stick insects, it's the unifying force behind life's diversity. It connects all living things in a vast tree of life. Every adaptation, from an eagle's eye to an orchid's flower, is shaped by this process. Natural selection is the simple, elegant engine behind life's complexity. It's why our planet is so rich, varied, and endlessly fascinating.